Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Linda May, and I love teaching this class. I mean, what could be more exciting than learning about what makes you tick? Now, Psych 101 here is a flipped class, and what that means is that you do much of your learning online. And we reserve class time then for you to practice that material and, in many cases, to go beyond it. So that means that the first day of class will be Thursday. We only meet on Thursdays. So the first thing I want to do is take you on a quick tour of this class. And what I recommend is that you watch this video on your phone and then pull the class up with me on a full computer screen. You need to see what I'm showing you in full pixels, because if you try to read it from this video, one, it's going to be really blurry, and two, I'll probably be using examples from prior classes. When you pull the material up, it will be your current material. So come along with me on a computer screen, and here we go. First thing you want to do, many of you learned about this video over email and may not know how to get to your classes at ASU. So just go to the ASU website, find the My ASU tab on top, click on that, look in the little box that says My Classes, find this class. Now make sure that you've got that box set on the current semester. And then when you find our class, click on the name, not the number, the name. And our class will pop up and it will look like this. Okay, first thing I want to show you is our 24/7 question booth. So to the right of this picture, we have the 24/7 question booth, and this is our form of communication in this class. We do not use Canvas Inbox, and we do not use our own personal emails at ASU. So if you send a question through inbox or to one of our personal emails, you will get a courtesy automatic reminder redirecting you to send it through this site. But that could take up to 3 hours to get that reminder. So hopefully you'll remember this. This is your own private way to ask questions of us. It's like you have your own reserved account. I'm going to go ahead and click here. We'll look inside, and if you scroll down, you'll see most of the time your question is already going to be answered for you in our frequently asked questions. But if not, you can just look up here for instructions on how to send yours. Okay, back to our home page. Next thing I want to show you is Meet Your Prof and TAs. So if you want to learn more about me and the TAs that will be helping you in this class, feel free to click there. Office hours over Zoom. We have the most office hours probably of any class you will take, Monday through Friday, and pretty impressive selection there. So now to go to our second tab on the left, Syllabus. Click here to view and print your syllabus, and you can click on Timeline at a Glance to print what you see showing up here below, this Timeline at a Glance. Now, this is really cool. This is a really valuable resource that you only get in my classes. So I make these for all of my classes, and it's a one-page time at a glance of the whole class, color-coded with exams in red and with deadline assignment dates in blue. And if you print this and post it, there will be no surprises, right? Okay, so make sure to print that one out. Now we're going to this next tab. It's called Modules, and this is the meat and potatoes of this course. It is your to-do list for every week of class. You can scroll down and see it goes all the way to the end of class. Okay, I'm just going to open up the first one, which is the to-do list to complete before the first day of class. And you'll see the first thing to do is watch this video. So you're on track already. Then there's a list of short tasks to do underneath here. You're going to want to be sure to do them before the first day of class. Okay? Now, this next tab says Learning Path, and early on in this class, you will be instructed to go there. This is your online part of your learning, and you'll be doing different sections of it at a time, and you will learn in your to-do list what sections to do. Finally, the Grades tab, and we're not going to go there because you haven't earned any grades yet, but soon you will. So I wish you the best with this class. I think you're going to love taking it. And I will see you on Thursday, the first Thursday after classes begin.